Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know, my name is Bella. For the ones who are returning, welcome back. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely does get the channel out there. So today's video is going to be very interesting because I've been waiting on these taillights forever, and I rushed home just to make sure that my taillights did not get jacked or stolen from a neighbor, because you just never know. But I'm very excited for this video and this installation is just because I've been wanting these taillights ever since I got my G. And same thing with like the Specti headlights, but I got those like last year, almost a year ago. These are the headlights were like my two mods like that I wanted on my car. And yeah, so we're gonna see. So it looks like I was given some hardware. And I will put his hat down below, the one who made me these lights. That's like no way, they're here. Here they are. I know like now in the community they're probably just like popping compared to like back then when I like found out about them. They weren't as like common. But now, yeah, they become a really big thing in the community now. And some of you are like, yeah, these like, it's been a thing already. But like in my area, I think I've only seen like 2 Gs with them. And so I could be wrong, but that's just to my knowledge. So I think you only need an 8mm to take these, the headlights off from what I saw. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for that, and I will see you guys outside. Okay, let's open the trunk. Oh, I also got leather mats. They're dirty now, but not me exposing my seats. But and the car's dirty already. That's the bad thing about, yeah. Nothing like having stock suspension and rotors in the back of your car. We literally have car parts everywhere, but so I know you have to take this off, and I think it just comes off with clips. Shit, okay, I don't want to break this. It just come off. I want to make sure nothing's broke. Okay, see, damn, that man is like, oh. I also did remove the clips from the little fabric thing, and you do have like a clip over there, little push clips. Honestly, you're not gonna need to remove that one actually, because when you push this down, you have access to like the bolts, so you should be fine. All right, so this is where we are. I have all, where's the other ones? Okay, so there's one of them right here. I believe the other one's in here, and I think the other one is like in there. It's like hidden. Right here's a 1, 2, and 3. Let's get these off. Is an 8 too small? Whatever. No, it should fit. What the hell? Maybe I'm just being weird. So all 3 little bolts are off this side, and then the taillight should be loose. Yeah. Then all you have to do is just slip it out and remove the clips. All right, I went ahead and I took off the clips off both sides, and from here you should just be able to slip this out. And there we go. Oh, I'm gonna mess them. This looks so weird. Cool thing with these lights are, oh wow, I was like, is there more hardware? Because I know like it's not illegal to have them unless the lights were like not red, but because like when you break, the lights will still be red, like shouldn't be an issue. But I'm excited. Oh my god. All right, so I'm gonna start with the left side just because that one's just giving me like problems in general, just trying to get the clip off and the bolts and all that. But I'm so excited. These look so good. More clip. There we go. Voila, now we're just gonna put all this back together so it looks pretty. Looks so good. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna show you. Oh my god. It's so good and it goes so well with the black. Hi!
What a night and day difference.
I know.
Bro, look, I'm gonna say for what it is, you gotta get wheels now. It just don't
Oh,
look
but
the
that's
same.
later, but...
I know. But dude, this looks hot.
I know. I was like out here for like an hour just looking at it, but it looks so good.
Dude, pictures are gonna look so good.
I know.
Cause it's not that like your car looked weird or ugly before. But this is dope.
Y'all, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'm so freaking happy that I got the taillights finally. Before I was rudely interrupted. Yeah, I'm just so excited. I really got my clear headlights and my clear taillights, and honestly, I think I'm just done with the lighting at this point. I also got like the clear side markers, and it's just, it looks fire, it looks so good. Don't forget to follow me at bq.bella just to see videos and pictures, because you know for sure I'm going to be taking a bunch of pictures, especially because I've been waiting on these lights for like over a year now. And yeah. Questions regarding the taillights themselves or who I got them from, don't forget I did get them from a friend on Instagram. Again, I will put his Instagram down below in the description box. And yeah, I think what's next for the G is probably just wheels, but that's like a lot later on, and we're probably gonna start focusing on performance. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.